Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare collection. Now, in my most recent skincare routine video, I mentioned to you guys that I would eventually sometime in the future show you guys my skincare fridge, like a little tour. And I thought that I would just include the rest of my skincare collection and items with it because I do have like a little section that's parted off from the rest of my vanity and makeup collection. It's also fairly new. I know that I didn't show it in my most recent makeup collection video. I don't know if it was there though. I just remembered that I didn't like show you guys anything because I did want to make a separate video for it. So yeah, I definitely have upped my skincare game within the last couple of months. I have been just collecting some products, tools, and things that I think are really good and that are now essential to me for my everyday skincare routine. Also, if you guys did not see that video, I will link that down below for you guys if you are interested. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. So this is my entire beauty and vanity setup, including my makeup, skincare, and everything. If you guys are interested more in the makeup portion, I will leave my most recent makeup collection video down below as well. But for now and this video, we are focusing just on this little section and cart right here. Starting off with this, it is a 3-tier rolling cart, and I got this from Marshall's. I'm pretty sure you can find them almost anywhere for not too expensive. It was around like 30 bucks or something. The main piece on top, which is obviously the skincare fridge. This is the Danielle Cosmetics one. I will leave it linked down below. I also got this from Marshall's, so it was cheaper than it would originally be. I'm pretty sure it was like either $40 or $60. I'm not completely sure. Again, links will be down below. And it also has a feature in the back to either go cold or warm. So this could be like a multi-purpose fridge, not just for like cold items. So opening up the fridge, this is what it looks like. It has a top shelf for like tinier products and then the bottom for like bottles. So on the bottom I have one mist that is a chamomile and white tea hydrating facial mist, again from Marshall's, as well as the rest of these. I shop at Marshall's a lot. That's like my main place and favorite store, especially for skincare. They're like super cheap and I really like the products. I feel like people always assume that you need to have like these high-end brands like Milk Makeup and things like that for skincare, and to me, like, I've had a really good experience with just like Marshall's and like Neutrogena and stuff like that. So I don't really have too many high-end products because there's no need to waste the money if you can get still really great products for like way cheaper. So these are the 4 serums that I have down in the bottom. I have one for restoring, smoothing, glowing, and hydrating. These 2 are my personal favorite just because I have dry skin. So this one's really good for calming down like irritated skin, and this one I just noticed that it makes it look like really healthy. I especially love putting my serums in a skincare fridge just because whenever I put them on my face, they just feel so much more refreshing. Also, if you use preservative-free and natural skincare products, putting them in a fridge can help eliminate any excess bacteria and also prolong the shelf life of the product, which is a really great plus. I'm pretty sure these aren't preservative-free, but they do have really good ingredients such as vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B, and stuff like that. And then in the back, I have this cooling facial mask. You put this on and you basically velcro it around your face, and it can help with your under eye bags or anything like that, and it just feels really nice. I feel like if you have anything that's cold and you put it on in the morning, it's gonna really wake you up and help a lot with under eye bags or dark circles. I don't use that too often, maybe like a couple times a month, so I do like to put it in the back. My serums I tend to reach for a lot, so I like to have them in the front at reachable access, as well as my facial mist. And then I also have the mini version of the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer in here. I don't really know what refrigerating lotions does, but I just know it's really good for preservative-free serums. Up on the top shelf, I would definitely recommend getting a jade roller and a gua sha massager and refrigerating them. Those are like my main 2 essential things for a skincare fridge and an absolute must for me. These products, when they're cooled, really are so much more soothing. Also, a jade roller feels so good for massaging in serums and things like that on your face. So if you were to get anything from this video to put in your very own skincare fridge, I would definitely recommend these products. I also have a facial stimulator in here. This is the one by Vivitar, and you turn it on at the bottom and it vibrates, and It basically does like kind of the same thing as a rollerball. You can massage your products into your face, but it also like stimulates and increases blood flow. I also have the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Facial Cream. This one is kind of like a moisturizer or just like a regular facial lotion, but I really like this one for at night. I have these two oranges, which are patches for your eye. They have like gel inside. I got this product from Forever 21 for literally only $3. They're super cheap, and I think they're cute as well. Again, helps with dark circles, and they're just really great to have for a spa day. And I kind of stick those in the shelves. And then next to that, I have this cooling under eye like serum almost. It has caffeine in it and cucumber extract, which is so good for in the morning. That's why I have it next to these. It also has a bunch of other stuff like coconut water and beneficial things for your skin, especially your under eyes. So I really like this product. And when it's cold, it feels literally 10 times better massaging into your under eyes with the applicator that it comes with. I also forgot to mention that I have this Illuminating eye cream. This is again the mini travel size, just sitting on top of this massager. Next to that, I have a organizer with cotton rounds and cotton swabs. And then going into the first drawer, this is all of my tools and my mists. So I have extra facial sprays. This one is my current favorite in the fridge, so that one's the one I mainly use, but whenever I run out, I'll switch out. So I have a 4-divider organizer. I have facial razors over here, as well as a castor oil. I have some things for growing out your eyelashes and eyebrows, like growth serums. And then I have 3 extra facial mists in here. This is the Pearlescence brand, so Marshall's again. And then in this like corner, I have all of my acne or spot treatment products. I have the Neutrogena Spotlight Therapy. I have this really great Almay blemish like armor. And this is like one of my favorite products for getting rid of spots really quickly. I actually got this at Big Lots for like literally $2, and it works like magic. I haven't seen this at like Walmart or anywhere, but I haven't really looked, so I'm not sure how much it is there because I know Big Lots has like marked down prices. So yeah, I totally recommend this product for getting rid of any blemishes really quickly. Literally works overnight. I also have a e.l.f. roller gel. I have Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel. This I didn't really think worked that well. It did reduce redness a lot, that's why I kept it. But I also have a e.l.f. facial cleanser, which isn't really anything with acne, but I had nowhere else to put it. This drawer kind of looks crowded, but at the same time it's organized. So in here are all of my tools. I got this e.l.f. like massaging facial cleanser, and I really like this, but I opt for the Duval one now, so I have that instead. I have some face brushes for applying masks. This is a lip exfoliator, like roller brush. I don't know, it has like needles on it, and it's supposed to like increase blood flow and things like that. So I really like it. It's by the brand Kenzie. I have a facial roller, eyelash curler, another facial roller, more brushes to apply masks. I also have this, which is meant for cleaning your pores. It's supposed to be really good at extracting, so I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I have yet to use it. Back here is a Micellar cleansing water. I also have this cute little like bear timer. I only really have this in here for like masks, so I like can keep track of time and not leave a mask on for like hours. This cute thing is a head massager that I got from Romwe. I do have a haul coming soon on the clothes that I ordered, but this was one of the things that I ordered, and it feels really good on the scalp. This is a spa headband, and I also have a fan back here for drying the masks and a bowl. I really love this Evian facial spray. I know that it's just water, but like it just looks so bougie and it feels really nice. Obviously it's water. I have a headband, and also this black thing is a kit for any blemishes. Like it's meant for picking at your skin, extracting pores and things like that. And I know you're not supposed to pick at your skin, but I never had scarring or anything, and in my opinion it makes like any spots that I have go away way quicker. In the second drawer are all of my masks. I have a bunch of masks here by Victoria's Secret. I love their hydro gel ones. They fit your face so nice. I literally won't use any other sheet mask now because I am just obsessed with these. 10 out of 10 recommend this product if you're looking for a really good sheet mask. It doesn't fall off and it's not too big for your face. I have these makeup wipes. They're coconut water, again from Marshalls. Next to that, I have a couple Freeman masks. I haven't yet tried any of these. It came in like a pack, so I have yet to update you guys on those. Here is a blackhead mask. I also have some under eye masks here. In here I have all of my lip products. So I have 2 lip exfoliators by e.l.f. I have a Milani scrub and the Blistex lip serum. This is like my favorite thing for conditioning dry lips. Almay treatment chapstick. And then my favorite lip scrub, which is Beauty Treats. This is the strawberry kind. This in here is a reusable silicone sheet mask. And you actually put this over top of a different sheet mask and it's supposed to help it like stay on. It wraps around your ears and it makes it so that it doesn't slip off. And then this pink one is like a jawline mask. It wraps around your ears. Next to that, I have 2 Freeman masks. This one's a hydrating gel cream mask and this one is a clearing peel off one. I really like to lean towards peel off masks. I really hate cream masks or anything that I have to wash off. So I haven't yet tried it. I heard really good things about it. Then next to that, I have 2 products from Spa Life. These are illuminating under eye patches and I got these for Christmas. I haven't used them yet, but it comes in a 6-pack and these are lip masks. I have used these. I actually have one left. In the back, I have a Cetaphil facial lotion and this back here is supposed to either lighten up or remove dark spots. And then already coming to an end, lastly, I have my makeup wipes drawer. So as you can tell, I love Global Beauty Care for makeup remover. They're so cheap, literally the dollar store, no joke. And they remove your makeup so good. They're not dry wipes. They don't rub on your skin too hard. They're not harsh. And I just love them. They're all labeled to do like different things like anti-aging. Like this one's pore refining. I don't really notice them doing that. I kind of just use it for removing my makeup. I have an extra bigger bottle of that same micellar water. This big machine back here is a facial steamer. You guys might have seen this if you saw my skincare routine. And I also mentioned in that video that it's supposed to help open up your pores, which one of you commented that that was actually a myth and it doesn't do that. Which I looked it up and you were totally right, so thank you. I have been being lied to. I'm still going to do it just because it feels really relaxing and it allows your pores to like take in other products better, but it doesn't necessarily open up your pores, so sorry. If you guys are interested in one of these, you can find them almost anywhere. I'm pretty sure they're like 20 bucks on Amazon. I got mine from Burlington for 20. And then this here is a hair towel. And yeah, that concludes my whole entire skincare section. I'm just gonna do my outro right here. But yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below any questions that you might have about any products or where I got anything if you guys are curious. If I didn't already mention it, or leave it down in the description below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, that runway clothing haul is coming very soon, so you don't want to miss it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys!